Dude, do you remember the slee stacks? Like it was.
Yes, I remember those. Yes.
It was. It's not a chainsaw thing.
No,
it was.
it's not.
It was a full slee stack situation.
Dude, I swear to God, I woke up one night. I thought there was a fucking animal in our goddamn house, and I was reaching for my gun. I swear to I was like, what the fuck was that? And I'm like
there's a
opening the
javelina in your
safe and
bedroom.
shit. There was something in there. I'm like, holy fuck. And I'm just like looking around like, what the fuck was that? You know how you stop and
Yeah.
look and listen?
Is it for real? Did I dream that? Is it
And you hear
happening?
that. It's like, what the fuck?